Hello, everyone. Before we start, let me ask you one simple question. Do you want to speak English, but you feel scared? Do you feel nervous when you talk? If yes, don't worry. You are not alone.
Yes, Anna. I feel nervous too, but I really want to learn English.
That's perfect, Mark. Today we will speak slowly, clearly, and together. No stress, no pressure, just simple English about your day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Anna, and I'm thrilled you are here today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mark. I'm learning English just like you.
Mark, how do you feel today?
I feel a little nervous but excited.
That's okay. Feeling nervous is normal. Making mistakes is normal. Today we learn step by step. Let's start with a greeting. Listen first. Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hi, Anna. How are you?
Great. Now I say, I'm good, thank you. Repeat with me.
I'm good, thank you.
Very nice. You can also say, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Excellent. Listeners, repeat with Mark, I'm fine. Now let's talk about the morning. Mark, how was your morning?
My morning was good.
Perfect. Say it again slowly.
My morning was good.
Great job. Now add one action. Listen first. I woke up early.
I woke up early.
Very good. Now say both sentences together.
My morning was good. I woke up early.
Now let's practice common morning actions. Listen and repeat. I brushed my teeth.
I brushed my teeth.
I took a shower.
I took a shower.
I ate breakfast.
I ate breakfast.
Excellent. Now say one full sentence.
I ate breakfast in the morning.
Perfect English. Now let's talk about feelings. You can say, I felt good.
I felt good.
Or you can say, I felt tired.
I felt tired.
That's real life. Feeling tired is okay. Now let's move to the afternoon. Mark, how was your afternoon?
My afternoon was busy.
Very good word. Busy. Say it again.
My afternoon was busy.
Great. What did you do in the afternoon?
I worked.
Excellent. You can also say, I studied.
I studied.
Now say everything together.
My afternoon was busy. I worked.
Now let's practice questions. Did you work?
Yes, I worked.
Good. Did you study?
Yes, I studied.
Or you can say, no, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Perfect. English is easy when we practice slowly. Now let's talk about the evening. Mark, how was your evening?
My evening was nice.
Very good. What did you do in the evening?
I ate dinner.
Nice. You can also say, I watched TV.
I watched TV.
Now say it all together.
My evening was nice. I ate dinner. And I watched TV.
How did you feel in the evening?
I felt relaxed.
Great word. Relaxed. Repeat, everyone.
I felt relaxed.
At night, you can say, I went to bed.
I went to bed.
Or you can say, I slept.
I slept.
Excellent work. Now let's say your full day. Morning first.
My morning was good. I woke up early. I ate breakfast.
Very good. Now afternoon.
My afternoon was busy. I worked.
Great. Now evening.
My evening was nice. I ate dinner and watched TV. I felt relaxed.
Amazing, Mark. You just talked about your whole day in English.
Wow, Anna. I feel more confident now.
And you should. You don't need perfect English. You need clear, simple, and brave English. Listeners, now it's your turn. Pause the video. Say your morning, your afternoon, and your evening. Take your time.
Yes, speak slowly. You can do it.
Now write one sentence about your day in the comments.
For example, my morning was good.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing. You are doing great.